Booltool, a one-stop solution for your visual creation and copywriting. We know content creation can be time-consuming for creators. That's why we create Booltool, to make image, video, copywriting creation easier for everyone. Say goodbye to tedious hand editing work with our magic features. AI Video Enhancer, recover your fuzzy video, and generate cinematic frames simply in one click. AI Image BG Remover and Changer, remove and change the portrait background in seconds. Drag or scale the main part in the image to be more matchable. Have no idea about what background to change? Let AI generate an artsy one. Object Eraser, erase unwanted objects, defects, or watermarks to create flawless images. Image Enhancer, enhance blurry images. Background Blur, blur flashy background. Need to edit multiple images? Do it all at once with our batch editor. What's more, apply animation effects or filters, or resize and compress your images. AI Paraphraser, leverage AI technology to rephrase any text. Sugar Comment, save your time by generating fantastic comments to respond to customer reviews. Photo Storytelling, get bored with normal photo captions? Let's subvert it. Everything you need is in Booltool.
Booltool is an AI-powered cloud toolkit for your pic editing and copywriting at your fingertips. As digital marketers, online shop owners, creators, graphic designers, and founders, we have made great efforts in marketing campaigns and customer growth. During the process, we find image and video editing as well as copywriting quite challenging and time-consuming. Countless product presentations and marketing materials are involved. What bothers more was that you have to download and switch between different platforms to edit materials to make them attractive. We want something light and neat within our browsers, all in one. With the intention of optimizing the workflow dealing with content, we created Booltool, picture editing, AI copywriting, HD videos, all features in one stop. We ran tests on our own e-commerce brand as well as on our friends' brands. All the results finally led to this official release. Several highlights for you to check out. Multi-functions integration. We provide literally a bunch of daily tools including 10+ image editing tools that help you remove and change BG, remove unwanted objects, resize, compress, blur, and upscale. Besides, there are also copywriting generation tools like quick comment replies. We are providing a small world that is full of surprises waiting for you to explore. Winking face. Smart AI Engine. Smart AI Engine. Booltool's powerful AI engine simplifies and inspires your creation dramatically. For example, our algorithm could recognize the main portrait or subject in your images, remove the raw background, and generate something better matching your style automatically. Try our AI copywriter for blog rewriting too. Easy and speedy pic editing. Whether you want glamorous filters or animation effects for your pics, just upload the pic and choose one of our designer pic presets in several clicks. Relieve yourself from tedious editing process. Batch process. We know that sometimes you have a bundle of images to handle. We provide you with a batch process so you can get the job done like this nail polish. Booltool team is on a mission of utilizing everything that AI can do to help turn all forms of your resources into stunning content at your fingertips. Try Booltool now. Editing just one image can send you scouring the internet for tutorials like a modern-day Indiana Jones. It's hard to consistently churn out fresh creative campaigns when you're wasting time toggling between complicated, single-function editing tools. Imagine if there was an AI-powered tool right in your browser that made it easy to create polished visuals for your brand. Booltool is an all-in-one, AI-powered content creation toolkit that lets you edit images and videos right from your browser. With Booltool, you can edit photos and enhance videos in one place. No need to download and switch between different platforms. Thanks to the intuitive interface, you'll be able to perfect your visual content even if you're not an editing or graphic design expert. Say goodbye to complex editing processes and start creating stunning visuals right from your browser in just a few clicks. Booltool lets you remove image backgrounds in seconds using AI. Just upload one or multiple photos in bulk to get started. From there, the AI will automatically separate the subject from the background and let you download the foreground directly. You'll be able to upload images to replace the old background, or use the AI to generate a new background for you. Not satisfied with the automatic edit? You can manually adjust which parts of the image background are displayed. Use the object eraser to remove unwanted subjects, flaws, or watermarks without needing to reshoot or touch Photoshop. Simply highlight what you want to remove, and Booltool will fill that space to match its surroundings, so you can't even tell it's been edited. Best of all, you can draw attention to your image by blurring backgrounds that are too busy, badly lit, or distracting. You'll be able to adjust the strength of the blur effect to be dramatic or subtle, achieving the right balance between foreground and background. Whether you're selling products or taking headshots, you won't have to worry about the wrong background ruining the end result. You shouldn't have to use tons of editing apps just to tweak one photo on your camera reel. Lucky for you, Booltool lets you use AI-powered features right in your browser, so you can edit your visual content without any design chops. Simplify your editing process. Key benefits of Booltool. We know content creation can be difficult, time-consuming, and complicated. That's why we create Booltool, to make image creation, video making, and content writing easier for everyone. Say goodbye to tedious hand editing work with our magic features. Remove and change the background in seconds. Erase unwanted objects, defects, or watermarks to create flawless images. Enhance your fuzzy video and in one click. Rephrase any text as you want. And more. Rule our magic to grow your business now. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Booltool today. One-time purchase of $29 only.